Hi, my name's Chris Hopkins with ReàlInfusedExotics. Thank you for joining me as we dive into one of my favorite cocktail classes and classifications, tropical cocktails with a drink I like to call the false idol. Let's get started. So this one kind of kicks up the notch on the ABV a little bit with 3 different types of rum, starting off with 1 ounce of aged rum, 1 ounce of coconut rum, and 1 ounce of spiced rum. Marrying that together with 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, an ounce of pineapple juice, half an ounce of orgeat, which is an almond syrup, which is really traditional in a lot of tiki cocktails, especially the classic Mai Tai. And then finally, to finish off the flavor profile, we're kicking it up with 1 ounce of Real pineapple. The beautiful, rich flavors are gonna really bring all of this cocktail together. And add some ice. All those beautiful flavors coming together. Finishing that off with some cherries and a beautiful dehydrated pineapple. There we have it. Tropical fun with a false idol. Thank you. My name is Chris Hopkins with ReàlInfusedExotics. Thank you for joining us once more as we dive into all the flavors that we have to offer through our cocktail series. And until you join us again next time, take care.